Having a clean windscreen is crucial for safe driving. Dust, mud, insect residue and road film can severely reduce visibility, increasing the risk of accidents. Plain water cannot cope with all this grease and grime. That's why it's important that your Toyota has enough windscreen washer fluid. Adding washer fluid is easy. First, choose the washer fluid appropriate for your local weather conditions. Then, before topping up, make sure your Toyota is parked on a flat surface and the engine is sufficiently cooled. Raise the hood and make sure it is securely fixed. Locate the reservoir cap displaying the windscreen and spray icon. Open the cap. Where available on newer vehicles, check the level of the washer fluid by holding your finger on the depression hole and set down the cap. Then pour in the washer fluid, filling it to the top. Close the reservoir cap and lower the hood. Toyota Genuine Windscreen Washer Fluid cuts through dirt, dissolving and washing it away in seconds. It also enhances wiper blade action. In winter, it protects against freezing to -50 degrees Celsius, depending on the concentration. Gentle on paintwork, rubber, plastic and metal, it's available in a range of bottle sizes with leak-proof caps. If you're not sure about topping up the washer fluid yourself, visit your authorized Toyota repairer, who will be happy to quickly perform a safety check. For all your maintenance needs, you will receive expert assistance and the best possible care for your Toyota, ensuring that your driving experience remains safe and pleasurable.